Hey everyone, welcome to the Contreras Review channel. And in this channel, what we do is we review Amazon products. We review products from other places like TikTok, stores as well, just products in general. And today I'm excited um, to let you know that I'm going to be reviewing these blue light blocking glasses. And you can see here. And this brand was nice enough to send us these glasses here so we can review. And the first thing that caught my eye was definitely the red colored lens, right? And once you put them on, um, you do see everything red. And again, these are to block the blue light. And I believe these are like stronger, so like they're max protection. Um, and I'm not gonna lie, I like how they look on me. But the whole point of this is to block the blue light, right? And the blue light is anything on any screens, as far as like your phone, tablet, TVs, your computer, your monitor, anything like that. It projects blue light, and that blue light goes into your eyes, and it alerts your brain that it's still daylight, that you still need to be awake or whatnot. So I would really use these. I already have a pair, but I usually use these at night, maybe about an hour or 30 minutes before I go to sleep. That way, it blocks that blue light and it lets my brain start to say, okay, it's nighttime. I need to go to sleep. I'm tired. That's why some people, and I've struggled to fall asleep because you have your phone like right in your face, and that blue light is letting your brain know that it's still daytime. And as you can see, these glasses are really, really thin, um, and they're really lightweight, which I like, and it gives them more of a classic look. I have other ones that are a little thicker. They just look very like blocking glasses, like blue light blocking glasses. These look more like regular normal glasses with style, and they're really thin, really lightweight. Um, I wouldn't say they're cheap, just because they're lightweight. I wouldn't say they feel cheap or anything like that. They just feel lightweight. They feel good quality. But once you do put them on, you do see everything red. So it's kind of like, okay, I don't like this. But once you start focusing on your screen, your eyes get adjusted to that color, and you can see everything pretty clear. It doesn't change how you see, or like if you can't see something or something's hiding because the color's changing or whatnot, everything appears the same. I'm looking at my screen now, everything appears the same. It's just like a reddish color. So I definitely like these glasses, and I'm definitely going to be wearing them, um, later at night. And I do work all day, so looking at computer screens, so I might try them out at work as well. Usually I don't wear them during the day. It's usually at night when I wear them, but definitely like them. I like the look, I like the style, and I think they're all like they all fit. They're all one size, so my head is pretty big. So if they fit my head, I'm sure they'll fit yours. Definitely like them. But if you want to see more product reviews like these, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and we're going to be posting more videos on products. If there's a video that you want to see, or if there's a product that you want us to review, let us know in the comments. Please like this video, help us share these videos so that way people can see if they want to buy the product or not. But we'll be seeing you next time. Thank you.